Hello friend, this is the difference between organic and inorganic compound. Organic compound, first point, carbon is the one of the most important component of organic compound. First point of inorganic compound, carbon is not the important component of inorganic compound. Second point, source of organic compounds is organism. Source of inorganic compound is non-living substances. Third point, density, melting point and boiling point are low in organic compound. Density, melting point and boiling point are high in inorganic compounds. Fourth point, organic compounds are bad conductor of heat and electricity, while inorganic compounds are good conductors of heat and electricity. Next point number 5, these compounds are formed covalent bonds. These compounds are formed by electrovalent bond. Point number 6, they do not get ionized. They get ionized. Point number 7, these compounds are vaporizing and inflammable. These compounds are non-vaporizing and non-flammable. Point number 8, organic compounds are insoluble in water and soluble in organic solutions. These are insoluble in water and insoluble in organic solution. Next, last point, they have high molecular weight and complex structure. Inorganic compounds have low molecular weight and simple structure. So this is the difference between organic and inorganic compound. This is according to 10th standard class. This is very important for class 10th and other competitive exam. So thank you very much for watching this video. Like and subscribe my YouTube channel.